Hello all, my name is Krish Nayak and welcome to my YouTube channel. So guys, this video will be quite amazing for every one of you out there because here I'm going to discuss about an amazing real implemented use case of generative AI where many people are specifically using, okay? And this particular use case is our iNeuron support system. The reason why this video will be amazing because I will tell you what all challenges we have specifically faced and what right thing we are solving for the students. Okay. There will be a lot of key takeaways from this particular video because many people, when they think about generative AI, they think that the entire system is built by some LLM models as such. No. Always understand, whenever I talk about an AI module, it will be integrated with any software engineering product. It can be a web application, it can be a website, it can be a desktop app, or it can be any other products as such. We can integrate any AI modules that can specifically do some kind of functionality, right? The reason why I'm showing you this specific video because here I'll be talking about a lot of use cases that we have developed with the help of generative AI. And in the future, what more additional functionalities will probably be coming, okay? So let me just share my screen over here quickly to you. And let me tell you what were the challenges that we initially faced whenever we used to launch any batches in iNeuron. Okay. And trust me guys, from this past 3 years, right? Like iNeuron, we have started it has been more than 3+ years. Every time we face a challenge and we try to solve it with the help of tech. And that is the reason we are able to incorporate many students with respect to our learnings. Okay. Now, let me talk about some of the challenges that we used to face. Whenever we used to launch any batch, right, the first and the foremost questions from the students, right, were to probably communicate with their batchmates, was to think about how we can actually do a group study. Is there a separate group where all the students are there so that any announcement needs to be done, it can probably be done, right? Before, all the announcements in iNeuron was through a mail itself, right? We used to push a mail about our class announcements, about each and everything, each and every activities that we usually do in iNeuron, right? Specifically for that batch. And because of that, what will happen is that many people will get connected to some other groups. Okay, there will be a Telegram group, there will be a WhatsApp group, and other than studies, everything will happen over there. So in short, they're wasting a lot of time over there. So we thought of why don't we come with this one single support system in our platform itself, where students do not even have to join any other group, right? Other than our iNeuron support system itself, right? They don't have to probably join any WhatsApp, Telegram group. If they want to communicate with their students, everything can probably happen in this particular support system itself, right? And along with that, many people also talk about ChatGPT and all, right? They have to probably give $20 over there. Why don't we give a GPT kind of solution, right? Where you can directly chat without paying anything to the ChatGPT also, okay? Yeah, Google Bard is already free over there, but as you know, ChatGPT gives a better performance. Till now, what may happen in the future, that depends on the company itself. So instead of just giving $20 away, here only for our learners, whoever takes the 2 courses, right? Why don't we provide an access to a GPT over here itself? So that problem is also solved from the support system. And not only that, we have also implemented a Gen AI implementation, and in the future, there will be a lot of things that will be coming. Okay. And when I say in the future, in a couple of months. So let's talk about what all features we have specifically developed, right? So one challenge was one-to-one connect with the batchmates, because obviously if there is a student, that student want to probably communicate with the other student, think with respect to the learning, how much they have actually completed. And I'll be showing you this entire demo also, what all things, how we have developed this entire thing. And then group study for students, there should be, instead of any WhatsApp or Telegram channel, right? WhatsApp or Telegram channel. I need to probably have this. I don't want any Telegram channel. I don't want this WhatsApp group, anything. I don't want this, right? Because multiple platform dependencies will be there. Inbuilt mail system for support. Now, what used to happen before is that if students had any kind of queries and all, they used to probably open the Gmail account and probably email to us, right? Now, what was happening over there? Again, dependency on multiple platforms. Gmail is there, another mail platform is there. But here, now what we have done within the support system itself, we have brought this entire, we have integrated with this inbuilt mail system. That basically means you just need to open it and just go ahead and write the query from the platform itself, and that probably mail will be received to us, right? Before we had multiple emails ID, right? support@ineuron.ai, query@ineuron.ai. For different categories, we had different mail. So we have also integrated this. And one more important thing is about the knowledge ocean. Now, knowledge ocean means what, right? Initially, whenever students join any batches of ours in iNeuron, right? They used to usually have a lot of questions related to platform, related to basic questions, related to any generic question, right? What this batch is all about, what all things we'll specifically learn, what is this particular topic, can I probably get a roadmap, right? So this kind of similar questions will be there. And every time we used to probably provide them an answer through mail and all. But now what we have done is that all those questions and answers which has been asked in all the previous batches till now, we have provided that as a solution in the form of a knowledge ocean, where you can probably see all the questions, and all you have to do is that just go and search for that particular question. I'll also talk about this, okay? Knowledge ocean. And if there is a new question, you can definitely ask this question and ask the query. And the query will be responded, it can be responded by students. So if students are responding, providing a response to the query, we give them rewards. Now these students are our previous students, right? Now this rewards is very much important. Because of this rewards, the more they get the rewards, what will happen is that they will be able to use this rewards in buying whatever the next courses are there, right? They can actually redeem in buying the courses, right? Now, if student does not answer, then we have our Megatron LLM model, which will provide the response. If it is a generic response, right? If it is something related to platform or some other thing, then our admin from the backend will probably reply this query. Okay. Now, this Megatron LLM model right now we have integrated with. Let me talk about it. ChatGPT. Okay. So GPT 3.5 or 4, right? GPT 4. It has been integrated, but later on we'll replace this our own custom LLM. Okay. We are also planning to train, and we have already started that process. We have probably parsed even 20,000 videos. So videos, audio, everything we are integrating. Videos, audio, everything. Tomorrow you'll just not get support text to text. Let's say if you say, hey, provide me a video on generative AI, then automatically you'll be getting that video in that chat box. Okay. I'll show you all those demo probably as we go ahead. But right now we are still working on this, and there are many things that will be coming in the future that I really want to talk, right? The next thing is immediate query resolution. As I said, if there is a query, if the students are not answering, Megatron LLM models are not answering, then we will have our team to answer it. So that basically means we have now 3 to 4 levels. Now even the student do not have to wait for 24 hours, then and only will specifically get the resolution, any student. Okay. The next thing is that access to Megatron GPT. As I said, now many people do not have money to invest in ChatGPT by providing $20. So what we have done, we have integrated the entire model and probably given as an access to Megatron along with the chat. Okay. This is also there, and there are a lot of future development that is going to come. So here I've spoken about the challenges, what all use cases are there, and tell me in the comment section whether you face this kind of problem statement or not. And this we have had a lot of discussion, and finally our team has worked very hard from past 2 months, and they have actually come up with this amazing iNeuron support system, and this is how it looks like. Okay. Now here you can probably see the knowledge ocean. Knowledge ocean is basically all the questions that has been asked. Right, all the questions you can probably see, right, all the question, right, and here you can see all the this is what is my answer by my admin. These are the answer about a lot of from the students itself, right, and like this you can probably see anything, right. If you have any question, as I said, with respect to knowledge ocean, you can search it over there, right. The next thing is that if you go to home, here you'll be able to get the access of every batches. Okay. Every batches. So here you can see data science interview. Here you can see mastering Gen AI. Let's say in this particular batch there, Over here, let's say if I join any new batch, okay, so here on the right hand side there will be a pop-up that will be coming, join group. Let's say I'm in machine learning bootcamp. I've already joined the group. So here you'll be able to see in machine learning bootcamp. Okay. Now this group, whoever has joined this particular batch, if they join this group, they will be available over here. So this way you can communicate to your batchmates. You can basically say hi, communicate to your batchmates, right? If you want, you can probably also do group study. How you can do group study, I'll talk about it also. But here you can ask any kind of question that you specifically want to ask over here to any students or in your batchmate. What is going on? Let's say if you're sick for some time, if you want to ask the progress in this specific platform itself. Now you don't have to probably go to WhatsApp or you can probably see this is just looks like a WhatsApp chat itself, right? Where you can have multiple group chats, right? So here you can answer any kind of queries that you want, like what is the progress and all, right? Other than this, let's say you want to do group study. So what you can do is you just click on plus. You just click on this chat, and here it is what your entire again a WhatsApp. Now you can communicate with any of your classmates, right? In that specific group which you have joined, you'll get access of all the classmates. Let's say I want to work with Vishweshwar, okay, and I want to work along with him, and probably say, hey, do you want to do a group study? And probably we go ahead and do a group study, and then we do our formal communication however we specifically want, right? So by this, you are able to get the access of your batchmates. Again, number and all will not be shown. Privacy issue will be there. So that is the reason you can communicate with them properly. Okay. Let's say if you have a generic query, as I said, you don't need to use even ChatGPT. You can ask questions over here. Let's say I have asked, give me the Python code to create a Flask app. And this is the code that is already given over here. Now, this is what we are going to work in the future. This Megatron will be our own in-house developed LLM model, right? Which will be fun to use. Okay. Now in this LLM model, we are going to integrate audio, video, everything. And in this chat also, we are also coming up with video sharing option, right? Video sharing, video call option, audio call option, everything as such, right? And if you also want to share your screen, probably in just a couple of 2 to 3 months, we are coming up with those features. Megatron gives you the access of each and everything. Tomorrow you also want to generate the image. Soon it will be also generated from here itself. So everything is probably getting integrated over here. And this is where Gen AI has got implemented. Now, let me talk about one more thing. Let's say that you go ahead and write a query. Okay. And this query will probably come in our knowledge ocean. Like what is data science? Let's say I have asked. Now, when I ask this specific query, if this is answered by any other teammates, then it is fine. Right? If it is not answered by anyone, then we have our LLM model, which will take up these queries which do not have any response, and in 24 hours, we provide the response for this also, right? Any generic query it is, if it is. If it is not a generic query, then our admin page will probably go and see, admin team will probably go and see, and they will try to provide the specific response, okay? Now, the other thing is about the support mail. Sorry. Now, support mail is quite amazing over here. Before, whenever you need to provide a support mail, over here you need to probably write compose, and then means you need to open your email ID and then you had to write the mail. But in this scenario, you can directly compose and write the mail. Okay. And all the response will probably be coming over here itself within this specific dashboard. Whenever you try to provide any response over here, right? Try to provide any response, anything as such. Here you'll be able to see, you'll also be getting a reward. This reward you can probably redeem when you want to buy a course. You'll probably get a good amount of discount whenever this specific rewards increases. Now here you can see, can you please share the roadmap of becoming generative AI? Here you can see that the entire answer is there, right? And you can also follow some YouTube channel like this, Mastering Gen AI. Here is the link, okay? Some other information. Now you may be thinking, Krish, where did we implement Gen AI in this? See, one system that we have created is the entire chat, one-to-one, batch support, everything, every chat is basically happening over there. The other thing is that when human is not able to answer something, there we are specifically using LLM models. Future, we will be using large image models, we will be using generative AI models and many more. Here we have given the access of Megatron. This again will be changed into our custom in-house LLM model, right? Through this way, what will basically happen is that when we create our in-house LLM model, we can train with our own data, right? And already I said, we are parsing 20,000 videos. Here I've actually written, right? 20,000 videos. Tomorrow my functionality will be that if I ask anything over here to the Megatron, it should also be able to give the video parsing that we have specifically done. Let's say that, hey, provide me a video of learning with respect to Megatron, with respect to generative AI. Then it should be able to give me a video link from iNeuron's YouTube channel or iNeuron Instagram, wherever the live session or the recorded videos are specifically done. So this way, your learning becomes very much interactive, right? So many people, when they think about generative AI, right, they think that, oh, entire application is done like this. No, it is a combination, guys. Support, this is the product, the chat is the product, right? It has one-to-one, one-to-many. That problems also we are solving through this, right? Knowledge ocean, the answering that particular query. Again, we are using generative AI LLM model. Immediate query resolution, I'm doing it. Access to Megatron GPT. Megatron is actually able to provide you the response like how ChatGPT provides, if you want quickly, the answers itself. And in the future development, we are coming up with videos, image, audio, sharing screen, and many more. So I hope you like this particular video. I have developed this kind of simple models already in my channel with respect to various LLM functionalities. If you really want to look at it more, please go ahead and watch the playlist. So yes, this was it from my side. I'll see you in the next video. Have a great day. Thank you and all. Take care. Bye-bye.